going to learn Minitab, and also we are going to do scatter plot with connect line. And the situation is your company manufacture frozen food and you need to determine the optimal time and temperature for reheating a new frozen entry. You reheat sample at a number of different times and temperature. You have trained judges rate each for overall quality on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 is not enjoyable, 10 is most enjoyable. Create a panel scatter plot with the scatter line to examine the average quality score for each temperature. So temperature is like a panel chart for us. The main variables are two main variable. One is quality, one is time. And we're going to monitor the panels using the temperature wave 350, 370 feet. These are all this one. You can see here, you can also do, this is one way of doing it through scatter. The same 3D scatter also you can do. If you give this one, it will come like that. This 3D scatter, almost the same example. Let's say if you wanted to do it like this one, scatter wire one, you can just do it. And let's go back and do we'll stick to this example and try to do. So let's go back to our example. We'll try to replicate the same example. Okay. So the example is already given in the Minitab. All we can do is that directly we can take the example directly in Minitab. So the file name is reheat.mtw. So what I'm doing it, I'm just going to file. I'll just give cancel and I will take a new fresh sheet. And what I'm doing it, I'm just file, open worksheet. In the open worksheet, click here and you can give reheat and give OK. So reheat is open up. So one is temperature and time, and you have a quality. These three variables we have, and you can see the scores and all that is being given there. So we wanted to panel the temperature and find out how to do it. Go to graph and scatter plot, of course, and here you have with connect, right? So what you can do is that you can give temperature. In on the y-axis we have a quality, sorry, and x-axis we have time, and in the multiple graph you can see here in separate panel or in the same separate panel or in the same graph, right? And then you can see the panel we're going to add as so temperature will be our panel. Okay. See that beautiful chart it is given here. You can this will be very easy to interpret. For example, let's say as the temperature go up, right? And the temperature, this is quality, the quality is going up when the temperature is also getting raised, right? At one point of time, the quality is getting reduced when it is been going overboard. For example, until 425 is good, and as we go beyond 450, what is happening? The quality of food is getting reduced. I mean, okay. And then you also have this is the time. So 20, 30, and 35. So as the time increases, the quality also increases. At one point, so what you can see that 450 and above, as the temperature goes up, and also along with the time, what is happening? The quality is getting reduced. So easily we can interpret. I hope you find it useful.